Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. I am doing a follow-up on some comments from the last video I did, one of the last videos I did, the pine pollen review video. And I just wanted to talk about some of the things that were mentioned in the comments about does it increase libido and how I pack it in my lip. And I'm going to show that to you guys in this short video today. So here we go. So the answer to one of the first questions is yes. Yes. It does increase your libido, especially if you're a guy. So you guys will not have to worry about any kind of performance or having high testosterone levels or just making sure that you're feeling alive down there and vital. So yes, guys, it helps. All right. And the last comment that I saw on that video, I got the pine pollen powder here. What I do is I take a 1/4 of a teaspoon spoon, as you can see here. I scoop it like so. Tap it off a little bit. Open up my lip like I'm about to dip some snooze. Boom. Done. That's it. I hold it in here for at least 5 minutes, and then I throw it back with some water, and I got an extra pick-me-up of energy for the day. I don't even need a cup of coffee or anything. So, yeah, if you guys haven't yet, buy this product. I'll leave the link for the video. I'll leave a link for the video down below. You guys can check out the other links there too for Amazon. It's on that same last video. But yeah, just to answer some questions from some people that are dedicated in my audience. I'm going to screw this up. As I was saying, just to answer some questions to some dedicated audience members, thank you. I just wanted to hit you guys back from the comments with the video. So thank you, and thank you for watching. And if you haven't yet, and you're just watching this video, if you've just found me, like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys.